Here's how to send a photo through email on the iPad. So in your email, you need to start a new message, and you need to double tap the message section in order to get this bar to pop up. You want to insert a video or a photo, and you need to tap the picture that you want to use. This inserts the picture into a message. If you tap on the corner and hit return just once, this will allow you to insert a message at the top. And then you can fill in the rest of the messages as normal. And click send as a normal email. So now the person who receives your email will have a picture within their email. Now let's say you want to send a video. Same thing, you do a new message, you double tap, and this time you're going to choose a video from your options. Now it will compress the video in just a few seconds, depending on how long your video is, and will insert a file. Now Outlook has a limitation on how big movie files can be. Typically they're with under 2 megabytes, which is still pretty small. So if you're trying to share a video that is 10 minutes or longer, you will probably want to upload it to YouTube or some other format. You fill in the rest of the messages just as normal and hit send. So here's what it looks like someone on the receiving end. They need to tap it once to download the file and tap it again to actually open the video, and it will play on their screen on their iPad. So you are essentially adding attachments of a photo or video to email and sending it just as you would on a desktop. So let's say you want to upload a photo or video from your iPad to a cloud service such as SkyDrive or Google Apps. You need to have the app installed on your iPad. In this case, let's try SkyDrive. This shows me the previously uploaded files. I'm going to tap up here and I'm going to add an item. So I'm going to choose existing and go into my camera roll. And I'm going to tap the ones I want to upload because I can do multiple ones at a time. And then choose upload. And depending on how big the files are, it may take a few minutes. And remember that videos take longer to upload than photos. So now both of my files have been uploaded, and they are single files not within a folder here. I essentially made a copy from what was on my iPad within this cloud. So if I wanted to delete these photos on my iPad, I would be safe to do so now. Now let's upload the same photo and video to a different cloud, such as Google Drive. Again, you need to have the app installed on your iPad. And this layout's a little bit different. I have these folders, and I'm going to add something to this list by going to Uploads. I click the plus sign here, and I'm given options of what I want to upload. So in this case, I want to upload a file or a video. And I'm going to tap the same 2 videos that I did before, because I can do multiple uploads at a time, and choose Upload. And again, remember that photos are uploaded faster than videos. Depending on how big your video is, it may take several minutes. So now this shows me that they are recent uploads, and if I go back to my drive, now I can see the files down here at the bottom. Now I want to upload a Excel sheet or a document into SkyDrive or Google Drive. First I need to have the document on my iPad. So in this case, it's going to be something that's in Pages. I need to tap the file that I want to upload, and I'm going to tap the tool on the top, and I'm going to share. Now I'm actually going to open this in another app, and it's going to allow me to choose a format. So I'm going to keep it in Word. This converts the document from a Pages document to a Word document. And so these are the apps that would open this form that are actually installed on my iPad. So let's try SkyDrive. This will open a preview of the document, and at the bottom it gives me a button to upload to SkyDrive. And it gives me an option of putting it into an existing folder, so I'll put this in School Documents, and I'm going to select. And down at the bottom it tells me that my file has been uploaded. Now let's say I want to put the same document in Google Drive. I tap Tool, I want to share it, and open it in another app. I'm going to leave it as a Word. I'm going to choose the app, and this time open in Google Drive. This app gives me an option to just directly upload it. And now it appears in my files down here. If I want to upload an Excel document from the Numbers app on my iPad, it's the same steps. The tool, share, open another app, choose your format, and choose the app that you want. Remember, this simply makes a copy of the document in a cloud app, and it allows you to delete the actual document off your iPad if you chose to.